High above the ocean, a little bird flew alone. He sang to the wind, but no one sang back. He searched the skies for a friend, but the sky was too big and the world too quiet. One day, he flew lower than ever before. The sea shimmered like a mirror. He heard a deep, distant song. It was not a bird. It was something deeper. The bird circled above, enchanted. The whale sang again, slow and low. The bird answered with a chirp, and so began their strange conversation. Two voices, one melody, echoing across sea and sky. Day after day, they met at dawn. The bird brought stories from the sky. The whale shared secrets of the deep. They laughed in rhythm, sang in harmony. The bird danced above the waves. The whale spun below, sending bubbles skyward. They learned each other's language. They dreamed of flying together. But the sky was not for whales, and the sea was not for birds. Still, they met every morning, every evening. They spoke of stars and storms, of silence and song. One day, the bird brought a gift, a sky feather, kissed by the wind. The whale gave a pearl from the deep. They traded treasures, hearts full of joy. But the sky grew dark. The wind howled. The sea roared. They searched for each other in the storm. The bird called out, but the wind swallowed his voice. The whale sang, but the sea muffled his song. Then silence. The bird waited at dawn. The whale waited at dusk. Days passed. Seasons changed. But they never forgot the melody. One morning, the bird heard a familiar hum. One evening, the whale saw a shadow in the sky. They rushed to meet, heartbeats racing. And there they were, together again. No storm could break their bond. They sang louder than ever before. Their song echoed across the world. A song of friendship, of difference, of love. The bird flew higher, knowing he was never alone. The whale swam deeper, carrying the sky in his heart. And every morning they met again. Two voices, one melody. Herr Vogel and Frau Wall, forever friends.